2, 3.
I punched myself. Like, it was no good. It was no good. It was trash.
We're unstoppable. We do the impossible.
Hi, I'm Holland Paterno. I'm a stylist and fashion content creator based in Jupiter, Florida. You can find all of my affordable fashion finds on my LTK shop at Holland Paterno.
You know we're unstoppable.
Hi, I'm Tamar. I'm from Jacksonville, Florida, and my LTK shop is Musings of a Curvy Lady, and I am a plus-size fashion content creator that loves all things girly. If you could introduce yourself to someone who's never met you before, never followed you, what would you say?
I always joke that I have a passion for fashion, because
I love
that's
that.
what used to be like in my profile when I first started. I really want to be a stylist at the end of the day. I decided during the pandemic that I would kind of switch to try this out.
Yeah.
I think that's one of the biggest pieces of advice that I could give anyone starting out is like, don't be afraid to pivot within your career.
Sure.
So I went into a completely different industry in order to get flexibility.
I love this story, you guys. This is iconic.
And my family friend offered me a job at a mattress company. I was able to create my own schedule and pursue my goal of becoming a full-time content creator and stylist. Then I told myself that I matched my salary at my mattress job for 3 months.
But you did it.
Yeah, and so I did it for 3 months and I quit my job, and that was in 2021. So it's been 2 or 3 years now, almost 3 years of being my own boss, which is the best thing I ever did, and I couldn't have done it without LTK. What would you tell a new follower about yourself if they just found your page?
I'm a plus size fashion advocate. I would say that's the cornerstone of everything that I do. And basically, I do everything like a regular girl does, but just in this body and showing visibility. I started out of just the necessity of doing something fun. I was on my lunch break working night shift as a nurse in the ICU, where I just needed something fun. I've always loved fashion. I always loved putting looks together, makeup. And so I started my blog back in the day when blogging.
What year was that?
2012.
Wow.
I know, I'm a dinosaur. I just wanted to show girls that you can dress really cute, fashionable, stylish in a bigger body, and we're basically a resource, kind of the hub. But then I got really into the creative part, the photo shoot part, the creative directing part, and creating a really beautiful image attached to a story that a girl who never seen themselves in something fabulous in a beautiful place, dripping and all the accessories and hair and makeup. Let's do that too. LTK fortified me, supported me, taught me so much to take my business seriously. I think about all the messages I get from women in their 70s. I'm wearing horizontal stripes for the first time. I'm breaking these rules of fashion, and it's because I'm seeing someone like you, and that boosts my confidence even more. Because even if you're confident, you're not confident 100% of the time. And the community helps me to be confident.
And I love that it's all in one place.
Yeah, all the LTK shop is your flagship.
Please like this.
Yeah, please like, comment, and share, and purchase through our LTK shop.